If you've forgotten your Coinbase password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Coinbase login page. Go to the official Coinbase website and click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ISRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from Coinbase. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email. Step 5. Create a new password. You will be redirected to a page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, confirm it, and then submit the changes. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Coinbase account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for assistance.